Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories buried in corporate filings. Today we're dissecting Victory Capital Holdings' latest report, looking for any financial fireworks or maybe just some damp squibs. Alright folks, let's get right into it. We're talking about Victory Capital Holdings and their recent announcement. But what exactly are they telling us, and why should we care? Well, this filing is all about updating us on their assets under management, something that sounds a bit like rocket science, but really just means how much money they're managing for their customers. Now, most companies, when they put out these reports, are getting ready to share some pretty juicy financial tidbits about their stock performance, and what's happening with their shares, Victory Capital, is no different. Their stock trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VCTAR, and it's basically a thermometer for how investors feel about the company's health and future prospects. What we're looking at here is what's called a Form 8K. This is like a company's way of dropping a quick announcement to the world about significant events. Usually these are things like mergers, major executive changes, or in this case, updates on key business metrics. It's like getting a text message from the company that says something important just happened. And the date of this report, August 11, 2025, tells us that whatever they're announcing happened very recently. This helps us get the most up-to-date picture of where the company stands right now. So the main event here is a press release from August 11th, 2025 that talks about Victory Capital's assets under management, their AUM as of July 31, 2025. That's the core information they're sharing. It's like giving us a progress report on how effectively they're growing and managing the money entrusted to them. Now, why is AUM so important? Think of it like this: if a bakery has more customers buying more bread, they're doing well. Victory Capital is in the business of managing money for investors, and the more money managed, the more fees they can potentially earn. It's a direct indicator of their size and their ability to attract and retain client assets. So growing AUM is generally a big positive sign for a company like this. While this specific filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables like a quarterly earnings report, it focuses on this one key metric, and it tells us that as of July 31st, the amount of money managed by Victory Capital reached a certain level. Now, without the exact numbers right here in this snippet, we're looking at the announcement of that data, and importantly that it's being reported in the press release. Attached as an exhibit to this filing, Exhibit 99 as they call it, is basically the actual document that contains the July AUM figures. We can infer that this will be a point of pride or a key update they want investors to see. It's like the company is saying, look at how much more money people are trusting us with. And who's putting their name to this report? Michael D. Policarpo, as President, Chief Financial Officer and Chief Administrative Officer. This tells us that the top brass, the people who really understand the company's financial engine, are signing off on this information. It adds a layer of official confirmation to what's being reported. So to sum it up, this Form 8K is a quick update. The big news is the July assets under management figure that was announced on August 11th. It's a snapshot of the company's growth and its attractiveness to investors in the asset management world. From a Warren Buffett style perspective, we're looking for companies that grow their assets under management consistently. This indicates customer trust and a strong business model. Victory Capital's emphasis on this metric suggests it's a key performance indicator for them. So if this AUM number has gone up significantly since their last report, it's a strong signal of positive momentum. If it has stagnated or fallen, that would be a red flag. It's like checking the horsepower of a car before a race. We expect this July number to show continued growth if the company is healthy. Looking at this filing, we can see the structure of these announcements. It's very direct. First, the company states the event, then it references the document that contains the details, and finally the relevant executive signs off. It's a system designed for transparency and timely disclosure, which is crucial for public companies, especially in the financial sector. Now, to give you my take on this, Victory Capital is clearly focused on growing the pool of assets they manage. This is the lifeblood of an investment management firm. If AUM is growing, it means their investment strategies are appealing and their sales efforts are effective. It's a sign of a company attracting more capital to deploy, which when managed well translates into revenue and profitability. Deploy which when managed well translates into revenue and profitability. However, it's important to remember that AUM is just one piece of the puzzle. We'd also want to see profitability, strong investment performance, and efficient operations to get the full picture. This filing is like seeing a car that's running well, but we don't yet have the detailed dashboard readings on speed and fuel efficiency. The most significant takeaway here is the focus on assets under management as the key update. This tells us where the company believes its current strength and future potential lie. It's a strategic announcement that signals their priorities. If you're an investor in Victory Capital or considering it, this is the number you'll want to follow closely because it directly impacts the company's revenue potential and its standing in the competitive asset management landscape. Alright folks, that's our quick decode of this Victory Capital Holdings filing. We've gone over what the 8K means, why assets under management are so critical, and what this particular announcement implies about the company's direction. What are your thoughts on Victory Capital and their focus on AUM? Do you think it's a strong indicator of future success? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community for even deeper discussions linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.